Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Monday, November 22nd, 2021. It is 4:48 and 34 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, genetic change. So let's hop to it here. A genetic change for achieving a long and healthy life. Date, November 19, 2021. Source, the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Researchers presented new insights for improving the health span by just regulating the activity of a protein. A research group has identified a single amino acid change in the tumor suppressor protein, phosphatase, and tensin homolog, that dramatically extends healthy periods while maintaining longevity. The insulin and insulin-like growth factor, 1-IGF-1, signaling IIS, is one of the evolutionary conserved aging modulatory pathways present in the forms ranging from tiny roundworms to humans. The proper reduction of IIS leads to longevity in animals, but often causes defects in multiple health parameters, including impaired motility, reproduction, and growth. The research team found that a specific amino acid change in the PTEN protein improves health status while retaining the longevity conferred by reduced IIS. They use the roundworm C. elegans, an excellent model animal that has been widely used for aging research, mainly because of its very short normal lifespan of about 2 to 3 weeks. The PTN protein is a phosphatase that removes phosphate from lipids as well as proteins. Interestingly, the newly identified amino acid change delicately recalibrated the IIS by partially maintaining protein phosphatase activity while reducing lipid phosphatase activity. As a result, the amino acid change in the PTM protein maintained the activity of the longevity promoting transcription factor, forehead box, OFOXO, protein while restricting the detrimental upregulation of another transcription factor, NRF2, leading to a long and healthy life in animals with reduced IIS. The research study raises the exciting possibility of simultaneously promoting longevity and health in humans by slightly tweaking the activity of one protein, PTEN. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.